Hey, good morning. Welcome to Horsley Retirement Adventures. Today's adventure is going to be making French toast. The best French toast I'm ever going to eat today. Best thing to do, thick, sliced, white, nature's own. Get the thickest bread you can get. Real quick, I'm going to try to get this done in 2 minutes, maybe less, maybe not. Put a little milk, 1 egg, put that there. Mix it up. I always put ground cinnamon and sugar. Put that in there while I mix it up. There we go. Okay. I'll tell you right now, the key to good French toast is I use butter on my pan. Oh yeah, and I get the pan nice and warm, almost like hot. See how that butter melts? Look at that. Yes. I haven't had breakfast this morning, so I'm pretty excited. Okay. 2 pieces, thick bread. Put it in here. I want to show. I'm excited. Now this little container is a lunch meat container. Just letting you know. They're recyclable. Reusing it. Oh, you hear that? Like a fried egg. You want to do that? You want that nice and hot because you want to seal your bread so you don't get all soggy. Nobody likes soggy French. I don't like soggy French toast. I don't think anybody does. But I really don't. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Booyah! Oh, I should be a chef. I really should. Then, look at that. 1 egg, a little bit of milk, 2 pieces of toast or bread, and shoot, I'm almost done. Spatula. This is my favorite spatula. Got a little burn marks right here from putting it on the pan. Okay, it's sizzling, and it's sizzling really good. Might add a little more butter just to get a little crunchiness. Uh-oh. Got some on the oven. All right. I got the oven set, well actually it's not the oven, the top part set to almost 7 on the big burner. And I'm using, I don't even know the name of this oven, it's mine. GE. That's right. Big old General Electric. Okay, let that thing get nice and crisp. I like it when it's crispy. Da-da-da. You can hum a song, do whatever you want. Hey, you know what? While I'm waiting, I'm putting my stuff away. That goes there. Milk goes in the fridge. Egg goes in the garbage. Watch that while it's cooking. Bread go in the pantry. This goes in the washing machine. Well, actually it's a sink. Okay, here we go. Look at it, I got that little egg on top of that. Whew. That is a good looking piece of French toast. Oh, it's almost like frying an egg on toast. Okay, I'm gonna let that go. And hello, Mrs. Buttersworth. Say hello to the thick and rich Mrs. Buttersworth. Okay, I know I'm a pretty good cook. I didn't write down the recipe, but I think you guys do it in slow motion. You could probably find out what I used. 3 ingredients, 4 counting the bread. So yeah, it's going to be pretty easy for anybody to make. Look at that. Woo. Ah. Probably smells so good because I haven't eaten breakfast and it's 9:40 already. All right. It's just about done. Just about done. I like it when it's crunchy. You know what else I can do? I can put this away. Well, hey, if you're watching, of course you would be. If you were watching, you'd be watching this. Anyway, thanks for watching Horsley Retirement Adventures. Hit the click the like and dislike button or whatever you want to do. And subscribe to my channel, especially if you're a fisherman, because really I'm not that much of a cook. I just wanted to do something weird today since I wasn't fishing. See that? Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Oh yeah. See how, just how brown that is? I'm telling you right now, if you guys could smell this, I'm gonna just, I don't know if you can smell it or not, but look at that. That's what it's supposed to look like. Nice and crunchy. All right. Pretty cool. Getting ready to eat it. Turn off. Get my butter. I can't believe it's not butter. But it is. Well, it probably isn't. It says simple ingredients though, and it's the light one, so everybody needs a little lightness. There we go. One down. A little butter on her. Seeing it's not mushy. That's what's so wonderful. Perfect. It makes you hungry, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. All out.